I think what was interesting is that, there was the general consensus that at 3 or 4 years ago, it was very much a cloud first, let's just get to the cloud and then all of our problems will be immediately solved. And I think there was that general consensus that actually that's not the case, because you're just really moving servers, workloads, etc. somewhere else. So ultimately, there was a general consensus that unlocking that business value, but knowing what that value is that you wanted to unlock, what was that business problem that you needed to solve, rather than just moving to the cloud. Because cloud is an enabler for solving a business problem.
And originally, it was all about cost. So
Yes.
It was about how we have a lower cost point, move capex to opex. Now it's around capability, agility, speed, and value, which obviously cost is part of, but how do they differentiate and disrupt in their own markets on cloud that they've got? And a very, very different sort of dynamic there around running for the cloud, and now once we're there,
it was interesting actually that I think the challenging for a number of the CTOs that I spoke to, they've now got to come up with the business case of moving to the cloud. They're almost in this kind of caught between the fact that they're told they must move to the cloud because it's meant to be this solving of everything, but they need the business case to justify it for the reasons you've just said. And I think it's interesting, some of the tools that we've been developing in Accenture, like MyNav, where it actually analyzes the whole environment to understand where can you unlock that business value. I think interesting listening to some of their challenges and how actually we can look to try and solve that.